Twilio versus Plivo. Today we are going to put both of these software tools head to head, figure out what exactly they are offering and how they can really benefit you. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. We're looking at Twilio now, and Twilio is a cloud communications powerhouse. So it is a developer-first platform. The cloud communications platform as a service enables developers to embed voice messaging and videos into apps via simple APIs. It's built on the WebRTC technology, supporting seamless real-time audio and video calls without requiring users to download additional software. It's trusted by over 10 million developers and more than 300,000 businesses worldwide, including major brands like Coca-Cola and DriveNow. Some of their key features include their programmable voice, so you can make, receive, and control calls globally with advanced features like IVR, call recording, transcription, and click-to-call functionalities. It also has a send and receive SMS, MMS, and WhatsApp message system with two-way communication, shortcodes, and toll-free numbers. Their Twilio Flex is a fully programmable contact center platform which integrates omni-channel communications and AI-powered automation. It has conversational AI tools, voice intelligence, and a unified customer profiles for personalized engagement at scale. The last thing over here is their real-world impact. This is how they're transforming customer engagement. So it powers appointment reminders, customer support lines, and marketing campaigns with automated SMS and voice workflows. It enables global enterprises to build contextual call centers that predict customer needs before calls are even answered. Also, the recent innovations include conversational relay for voice AI virtual agents, as well as WhatsApp business calling for seamless support escalation. Okay, so we're having a look at Plivo now, and Plivo is simplifying the voice and SMS communication for developers, and it's changing the way they are developing. So Plivo is a cloud-based communications platform that empowers developers to build more sophisticated voice and SMS applications using familiar web development languages. It's built on the robust FreeSwitch foundation, and it delivers a stable and scalable telephonically stacked with complete control over the VoIP provider. It makes and receives calls, it sends SMSs globally, and it integrates telephony into apps rapidly with a simple HTTP request. It is a rock-solid telephony infrastructure which ensures reliable performance and enterprise-grade scalability. You can also build communication features like Python, PHP, Node.js, and other familiar programming languages. The next thing over here is the developer-friendly telephony framework. So developers can leverage Plivo's REST API or XML to program sophisticated call flows, SMS messaging campaigns, and interactive voice responses. So the platform's abstract, complex telephony protocols are very simple web requests. You can also specify caller, receiver, and answer URLs for custom call handling logic. It has instant connectivity across more than 190 countries with carrier network integrations, and it has pretty much a straightforward setup with comprehensive scripts and documentation. Some of their real-world impact include their Decos brand. So it's dramatically improved messaging throughput by sending more than 50,000 messages simultaneously without rate limit constraints, enabling massive customer outreach campaigns. It has enhanced call quality while reducing operational costs, completely eliminating dropped calls and call repeats for seamless patient consultations, and it is powering political campaigns and reaching millions worldwide by leveraging the Plivo's extensive global carrier partnership as well as their reliable infrastructure. Customers consistently praise Plivo's reliability, their economic viability, and responsive technical support, making it a top choice for scalable communication solutions that grow with your business needs. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, two of the top dogs in this industry. Now, if this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like to show your support. And always remember, go and use the software, put it in a practical scenario and see if it really works for you.